Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. Here you can see we will hyperlink in three different ways. So there are some ways to do it. So we will do it in in three most popular ways. So let's start. Let's start with existing file option. So click the cell you want to link and go to Insert tab. Click on Hyperlink. Here you can see there is an option of existing file or web page. You can create your hyperlink by it. You can use current folder or link any of the document here. So if let's say I want to link this document, so I will select this and click on OK. It is now created a hyperlink. If you just put your cursor here, it will show you the link. If you double click on it, it will show you the file that you have opened. So as you can see, it's opened the file. So the second option is to web page. You can again select the cell you want to link and then click on the hyperlink, and from the same option, it is the option of web page 2, you have to put your address here. Let's say we want to link Facebook through it. So it will, if you click on here, it will direct you to Facebook. And let's try out the third one, which is place in this document. So click on the cell and again click on hyperlink and click on place in this document. You can select uh, select the sheet 1 or sheet 2, as it's the sheet 2, so you can select the sheet 1, and from here you can select a cell to be referenced and click on OK. If you double click, as you can see, this is the cell link with this sheet. So yes, these are the most common way, but you can hyperlink with place in this document, create a new document uh, with the same process and with the email address too. So yeah, so hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.